Technically, for the dollar versus yen, what's our technical chart showing? Well, if you take a look at the daily chart, the 2-month trading range with a high in December of 121.83, a low in December of 115.55. The 2-month trading range has a 50% retracement at the 118.69, and we moved above that level in the last few minutes of trading, with a high price moving up to 118.85.7 in the process. Stay above that level, and that's a little bit more bullish here for the dollar versus yen. Move below it, and maybe there's some liquidation, some further move back to the downside where this 117.95 level, 38.2% retracement, and our previous lows right through here at around the 118.07 come into play. So that's always a possibility if there's a disappointment from the Bank of Japan, if they talk a little bit more positively about the economy, or at least don't say that they're not going to be stimulating anytime soon, which is sort of the expectations anyway. Taking a look at the hourly chart, here's that same 118.79.69 level that is of the move down from the December high to the December low. If I zoom in here a little bit, in trading here over the near term, you can see that in today's trading, with the move to the upside, we eventually corrected down. And where do we find support? Right near that 38.2% retracement level from that daily chart, also near the green line right here, which represents the 200-hour moving average. Finding support against that 200-hour moving average was the reason why the market helped to move off of the lows here and extend the range to the upside in trading here today. In the process, moved above this trend line, which had 1, 2, 3, 4 so different points on it. Went up, tested it at one point today, failed. That's when we came to the 200 and did the same thing again here on the move to the upside. Hasn't been all that clean a break of the trend line, but we are moving higher after testing it through here and not getting below it and moving back to the upside. Off the 5-minute chart, you can see there's other levels here against the 200-hour bar moving average, I should say, on the 5-minute chart, finding some support against that level once and twice, and then basing off it here, moving to the upside. So good support down there in the dollar versus yen on the 5-minute chart. Where do things go more negative here for the pair? If we break below the 200 bar moving average on the 5-minute chart, that would be indicative of perhaps more selling pressure. Also, again, off the daily chart, the move below the 69 level before that 45 level, or the 200 bar moving average, would put the bias a little bit more to the downside. So there you have it, a look at the dollar versus yen from a technical perspective.